You better eat that bologna that's down there. The crow's gonna get it. You better eat it. Better, you're gonna have to fight for it. Better get it. Look at, there's one, two, three pieces of bologna here. You won't eat it because I gave you pepperoni. Come on. Oh, come here. Come on. Come on. Nope. Not gonna eat it. You better. That silly crow's gonna get it. That crow's gonna get it. The swoop down is gonna get it. Ah, see, it's in the tree. Look at, there it is. Crow wants it. Better get it. Oh, I'm having it. I'm sorry, I'm out of pepperoni. Look it, there we go, bird fight. You better get it. The crow's watching. Look at, there it is. There it is. It's hilarious.
Good picture, huh?
Oh, this is going to be a grind. I'm going to put this on YouTube. I got a bird fight. Look at, you better get him. He's going to get it. It's hilarious. Eat the bologna. If you just eat that, the crow will go away. No, not happening. Oh! You better watch it. Here we go. You gonna fight with him? There's the crow. And there's the egret. You better eat that bologna. You better eat it. Ah, look at bird fight. You better eat it.
Hey, girlfriend. Is he passed out?
Yeah, he's sleeping.
Okay. Good. Do you want a margarita? I was going to bring you a
Yeah,
margarita.
oh yeah, I
All
would
right,
love
let me
one.
bring you a margarita. Oh, that's why
I'm trying to.
came
I
over
was
to ask
feeding
you. I
that
was just gonna
that
bring
bird before, and this crow is like,
Oh,
and
I
I've
know.
never seen that white bird like defend its food before, and I'm like, all right,
these
it would need to.
crows, they're bad. Two of them came up to me when I was up there, and they were like eating something, but they came right to me, and I'm like, get the heck out of here. The reason why I came instead of just bringing it to you, because I need to know if you like salt or no salt.
Oh yeah, salt.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Oh, thank you. You better watch it. Where'd he go? The crow's gonna get it. Never heard that bird make noise. You better get down here and eat your food. You better get down here and eat your food. Not happening. Bird fight over baloney. Oh, come on. Eat your food. Come here. Come on. Eat it. See? Now you're gonna eat it. See? Eat that one. Here. You want it? Oh, you're mad at me. Heck the shit out of me. Here. Come here. See, now you don't have to worry about crows eating it. See? See, it's all good. It's all good. You don't have to fight for your food. You're mad. You're mad at me. I'm sorry. You made a good video.